Hi everyone, this is Heather with Life with Heather G, and I am here because I have a best time of the year box. This is my GlossyBox. So I did try to film this, but the video quality was not really good where I was sitting, so I went ahead and refilmed it so you can see it a little bit better. So anyways, this is my second GlossyBox, and it is a subscription, and I believe most of the brands in here are all natural, if not all of them. But this is only my second time getting this box. But you can see this beautiful box they sent this month. Like, I love that. I mean, I'll keep this box and reuse it. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and dig in and see what is inside. Okay, first of all, they give you these like coupons, I guess they are. I've gotten this one before for watches, which I probably won't use. But then they have the CBD, 30% off using code GlossyBox30. So that's kind of cool. I might use that. Then there's the wine and HelloFresh, which I have done HelloFresh before and I absolutely love it. So I may try that again, especially because this one says your first box. So I've done it before, so I probably won't get this, but it's $80 off. So if anybody wants to use that, let me know and I'll give you this, the code for that. Anyways, the first thing that we have is the nude stick. And it says it can be used on your cheeks or your lips. So that's kind of cool. And a lot of times when I get these subscriptions, I can't use the colors they put in there because they're just either too bright or too dark. But this looks like a really good color for me. So I am excited to use that. Okay, so I do have the prices here. And you can see that this nude stick up here, it says the regular price is $26 for a full size. No, I'm not sure if this is, it says it is full size. So yeah, $26 for this thing. And that's cool. Okay, so the next item I have is this coffee scrub. It says exfoliating coffee scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. And I love body, bath, any kind of pampering stuff like this. So I will definitely use this. And this says this is worth $15. This is the 30 grams. The full size is $19.95 and it's 200 grams. So yeah, this is just like a sample type packet. Travel size is what they call it. So I don't know. That's cool though. I like that. All right. So next thing, let's see. I got the Christopher Robin Deluxe Mini Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. And this looks like it's for your hair, your scalp. So a scrub for your scalp. You rub it in, and then I guess you can use it kind of in your, the rest of your hair too if you want, more like a deep cleaning shampoo, purifying shampoo. But mostly like a scrub for your scalp, which I'm going to love that because my scalp is always dry, flaky, and just feels like it needs scrub sometimes. So I will use that. And actually, I did watch somebody on YouTube one time that has actually tried this and swears by this. So it's kind of nice to get it in here because I have heard of this before. Anyways, then I have the CBD Rose Face Mask. Moisturizing. 50 mg's hemp-based cannabinoids, however you say that. Anyways, it's a face mask with CBD in it. And I do like rose. So I love face masks, so I'll try that for sure. And then we have the Soothing Coconut Biocellulose Eye Mask. Oh my goodness, look at this. You can see that is not like your typical eye mask that you just put underneath your eye. It goes all the way around. So I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but I will for sure be using that. Let's see, it says intensive all-around eye treatment to smooth, nourish, and plump the skin. Yes, plumping needs to happen with my eyes. Okay, and I think the last thing in here would be this Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream with ashwagandha and reishi peptides. I have no idea. I'm sure I butchered that, but it says youth to the people. So it's just a cute little box. And this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. It's super small. Like you can see that in my hand. But this looks like it's a face cream. So moisturizing, hydrating cream. I have never heard Youth to the People, so I'm excited to try that out. Let's see, ingredients. Yep, 100% vegan ingredients, no testing on animals. Cold pressed extract for all skin types. It smooths, it says smooth a dime size amount of cream into your hand until it is fully absorbed. Oh, anyways, I will definitely be trying this though, because that's right up my alley. I really actually need some new creams to try because I am almost out of everything I have. And since I spilled my LMS rose oil, which I'm sad about, I do need some more things to try. So I will be using this and I will let you know how it goes. But that is everything that I got in my box this month. So this is new to me. I've never done GlossyBox before. I always did like BoxyCharm and all those. Birchbox, I've done Ipsy, I've done all these other ones, but I just wanted to try something new. And these boxes are adorable to use. I mean, you can see the inside of this box even. This would be cute for a Christmas present. And with that lid. I mean, the box is worth the money. So anyways, then I will show you this. This is all the prices. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you this one right here, that cream. It says that that is $18 worth of product right here. The full size is $58. So that's kind of cool. What else didn't I tell you the price? Oh yeah, the cleansing scrub for your scalp is right here, and it says it is $8.48 value. The whole a large one would be $53. The glow mask, the K glow mask is $6, and these have both foot masks on here, but I got a face mask, so I got this one. Which is totally different, but they say these are $9, $9.99. So I'm assuming that the foot mask and the face mask are probably the same price. But that is what I got in my box. So I hope you enjoyed. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. That helps my channel out so that I can grow and connect with other people who are in the beauty world and would like to see what I have in my box. So we will see you next time. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and please like and subscribe if you like more unboxings like this. Thank you.